Hello and welcome. It's PDG again. I know Ngwangarebe. So now there's this question that I've been getting, which is the difference between the rhythm guitar and the lead guitar. As the heading is saying, rhythm guitar versus lead guitar. So let's jump straight into it. Mostly in music performances, rhythm guitar gives a rhythmic pause to the music. So that first of all, I think the most important word here is the word rhythm. We need to understand what is rhythm. Besides the word rhythm guitar, just understanding the word rhythm. And now, just quickly to run, the lead guitar gives a solo voicing, riffs, and helps in shaping our jacks. So in Sungura, lead guitar, works hand in hand with also guidelining vocals, like what Mas Baba does in his music, Mr. Nicholas Zakaria. So lead guitar is considered more technical than rhythm. In lead you need to be good in playing a lot of melodies, riffs, soloing, improvisation, and also perform common lead techniques, like string bending, arpeggios, sweeping, and knowing intervals. When it comes to rhythm guitar focuses more on playing chords and riffs in a way that holds the music together. So the basic technique of rhythm guitar is to hold a series of chords while strumming or finger picking. So now done with the theory part, now we can go on to practical side. So my videos are I think now the practical yedu tinogona kuwanza shona yedu musiyano we rhythm ne lead. Mostly tikati mari 0 kati mashapes mabatiro tikakunyepa, asi tikaenda kuti mari 0 zvinogona kutibatsiridza. Like for example, let's say you find a guitarist, first question will be maybe play a C. If you see a person holding a C like this, then this person will be much focusing on open chords, like playing acoustic. So that this is an acoustic acoustic guitar person. And if a person plays this like what we do in Sungura and play this C, there'll be more to explore. Also another C, you can see like, okay, this person, he can also play lead only with the shapes. If you also say play a C and you say person holding, that is the person who likes to play lead. So now rhythm is to hold the music together. That's why my rhythm is but I just stick to one thing. For example, a rhythm yangu, so just a simple rhythm, but to show the the difference. Now let's focus more on technique. And we shut some fingers. Also, the way I was picking, it's more in a rhythmic flow. Look on the same note, same batiro, but I'm gonna play it. Positioning, I would say it's not more on position of the guitar, but the technique you are using to play that defines what you are playing. Are you playing rhythm? Are you playing, because what come at the Mr. Antonis and play Kazuda Nabakari Wariko? So it's and mapositions awo kune masongs vanotorowera kuno nemasongs vanotorowera kuno, so hazviri kuti kana warowera kuno kwaurowera marhythms wakuno kwaurova lead. So I would say in sungura, but mostly even mamusic akawanda tikaenda even kurock tachinorodza mabar chords aya rhythm yawo anongori mabar chords togondoni so it's not more on position but the technique that you're using, you know, the approach. So let's say someone is singing, you know, and then you start to improvise around that. As a rhythm guitar player, you know, this is to a rhythm because the approach that we're using. Unless, you know, but music I do my standards. So also zvinochikira standard the music, even katarisa patorasa kumashuroko wakaitanga ndo watototadza kuti ndo watiri kutaura nezvazvo wakadai ndo wakatogadzira matangiro. So ichiri kukura inogona kuchinjwa but it's more on how we approach and how we, you know, mostly it's the technique how you approach, because andingaridze rhythm yese ndichi like voicing ndichiteerera vocal. So I would say it's more on approach, the technique, how you play it, not because look at some octave by rhythm. So it's more on how, you know, we approach how we are playing it, because man not say lead octaves are, but it's the more on technique. Let's focus on this. This is technique. So I think there'll be more videos, but I think this one talking about Batskana Bichana. Thank you very much. See you soon.